Good afternoon, Indonesia. I'm Natasya Kurniawan from CNN News, bringing you the latest news from our countries. Today's news comes from West Java, where an earthquake 5.6 magnitude happened yesterday, November 21st, 2022. The earthquake left 328 people dead, 12 missing, and damaged several buildings. Based on BMKG data, to date there had been 367 aftershocks recorded with magnitude 1.2 to 4.2 and an average depth of around 10 kilometers, of which of the earthquakes were felt by surrounding community. According to residents, currently the BMKG is still taking measurements at the damaged location to be able to assess its correlation with the impact of the damage caused by the earthquake saved in the area. Based on the data college, the impact of the earthquake also damaged several buildings, such as 343 units of houses were heavily damaged, one Islamic boarding school was heavily damaged, and the Cianjur hospital was moderately damaged. Surrounding the so-called Indonesia is frequently hit by earthquakes. Magnitude 5.6 earthquakes that hit Cianjur in November killed more than 300 people. This has been such a devastating disaster that more needs to be done to help the victims. That's all the news for today. Check it out at CNN for the latest update. I'm Natasya. Thanks for watching and have a great day.